what type of Facebook groups do I suggest you join? So you have to think about, so for example, who is your audience, right? So for example, let's say you provide services to restaurant owners, right? Then you have to join the Facebook group that already has restaurant owners. I think one mistake a lot of people make, they join Facebook groups, which is not full of their target audience, but people like them. So if you do that, if you join the Facebook group that has like other agency owners or other like freelancers or consultants, guess what? They're not going to become your client. You're not going to become their client. I mean, it will be good educational group. You might learn a lot from other people who are doing the same thing that you're doing. But if you do want to get clients, the Facebook groups you want to join it should be the group of your target audience. So that's something you want to, and it's easy. If you go to Facebook, search for like restaurant owners, business owners, bloggers, e-commerce, drop shippers, drop shipping. So you'll find a ton of groups that you can potentially join.